It's getting close and the sun is starting to shine, so the perfect timing that we can start using our garden house. But yeah, today is all about getting the flooring oiled. So during the week I try to just use white spirit and get out like the stains and stuff, but it didn't work, so today I'm planning just to give it a little sand on the areas where I can see that it's more muddy. Then I'll be hoovering it all. I think it changes what we're going to put on the floor. I think currently it's rags, so 2 rags possible. At some point it was little tiles, carpet tiles. But yeah, it's just the floor is so lovely, so we want to kind of see it. We are going to be painting the walls around the ceiling, so wood effect will be covered, so it will be nice to have some wood somewhere. So that's the plan. I will be getting told off that I'm not wearing a mask, but I'll take these comments, so just leave them down below. So we're going to oil the floors, and initially I did think that let's just oil all the walls and ceiling as well, and we can decide the colour on a later day. But then I did some research, and it seems like when you oil the wood, then you can only use oil-based paint afterwards. And research in the UK at least, there's limited amount of oil-based paint that I will probably find, so I thought let's just go for it and paint the walls. Going for kind of whitish colour, so that when I'm decorating it I can just pop the colour out and kind of do it that way. Not pure white, but I've got some samples on the wall. I'm gonna, if I lift it up so you'll see it, but yeah, I'll put the picture over here. But yeah, so it's just we still need to decide that, so that's going to be in the future footage for you guys. But yeah, today is all about getting the floor done. Can you see a difference, honey, colour?
Just bring it out like that.
Can you see a difference?
Yeah, it's wet. No, it's I'm sure it's the oil there.
see it, yeah.
Yeah.